In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a paper form for free. Whether you're looking to create a survey, a quiz, or a simple contact form, Paperform offers an intuitive platform where you can design and customize forms to suit your specific needs without any cost. So let's dive in. To get started, when you first log into Paperform, you'll find yourself on your account dashboard. This is your central hub where all the magic happens. Here you'll see a clear layout with options and tabs that make navigation a breeze, especially if you're new to the platform. Now, directing your attention to the top right corner, you'll notice a button that says Create a Form. Go ahead and click this button to begin building your form from scratch. However, if you're someone who likes to save time or find inspiration from existing designs, there's another option for you. Paperform provides an array of templates categorized under What Will You Make? This section allows you to pick a template that aligns with your purpose, be it for events, business, or personal use. Once you select the template, it becomes your canvas to edit and personalize. For those choosing to start from scratch, once you click on Create a Form, you'll enter the Form Builder interface. Here's where you can give your form a title, set up questions, and design the overall look and feel to match your branding or personal style. Take a moment to experiment with the different types of questions you can add, such as multiple choice, text fields, dates, and more. Paperform's flexibility allows you to tailor each field to gather the precise type of information you seek. Remember, the key to a great form is clarity and ease of use for those filling it out. So keep the user experience in mind as you design. Additionally, for those leveraging templates, don't forget that these templates are not set in stone. You're free to adjust them to better fit your needs. This could mean tweaking the questions, altering the design, or even changing the theme to align with the colors and style of your brand. The beauty of Paperform lies in its flexibility and ease of customization. Once you're satisfied with your form setup and aesthetics, you have options to preview your work to see how it will appear to respondents. This step is crucial as it allows you to catch any mistakes or areas that might need refinement before sharing it widely. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can create a customized paper form ready to collect responses seamlessly. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to explore the support resources Paperform offers. Thank you for following along today, and happy form making.